Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very excited to share this beautiful project with all of you. Look, today we are going to learn how to make this ruffle spiral scarf. I made it many years ago, but today we are going to remember this project and make it together again. First, I will give you the material list and then the step by step, so please stay tuned. And before we start, I want to invite all of you to subscribe. Well, for this scarf in a standard size in one piece, I will use this yarn. I will use two threads. This yarn is medium weight yarn, and I will use two threads and the hook of number 5. If you crochet too tight, I suggest that you use the hook of number 7 or 9. It will depend on you how you crochet. I will use 250 grams, and also if you have a chunky material, you can use it and you can use only one thread. Remember that I couldn't find a chunky material, so that's why I will make it with two threads. And I will use the hook of number 5 millimeters. Okay, so with two threads and with our hook, we are going to start making chains. We are going to make as many chains as we need according to the length of the scarf that we want. I will make Beside that I have the hook of number 5, I will try to make these chains a little bit loose. In this case I will make 100 chains. You have to make them a little bit loose because in the next row when we came back we are going to make 5 stitches in one chain, so please take that into account. Like this we are going to continue. Well, after the 100 chains, we are going to make 10 chains more. I already made them, so we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we will turn over 4 times and 4. We will insert the hook in the chain number 11th. Right there, taking both parts of the chain, we will take one. Then we will pull a little bit. Then we will take the next two. Again, we will pull a little bit because we have to make this stitch a little bit loose too. So 2 by 2 until we finished. It's how we are going to make this first stitch. Then we are going to make 2 chains. Then again yarn over 4 times. And in the same place, also taking both parts of the chain. Remember that it's important because if we only take one, we will create a hole right there. So we will take always both parts of the chain. So then 2 by 2 until we finish, pull a little bit. We are going to make again the second stitch. Again, we are going to make 2 chains, always between let's call extended triple double crochet. We are going to make 2 chains. Please, if you know how it's the correct name of this stitch, please let me know here in the comments, because with you I'm learning new terms in English too. Okay, so then 2 chains, turn over 4 times. As you could see, I'm still taking 2 threads. If you have a chunky material, try to make it this even more loose, okay? Because with a chunky material and then with this stitch, it will look too tight your project at the end. So we need it to be a little bit loose so it can look better. Okay, so you will see. So we have 4, and counting the first chains that we made, we have 5, right? Then 2 chains, turn over 4 times, and now it's time for us to change and to go to the next chain. Right away, next to it, again taking both parts of the chain, we will start making the next 5 extended triple double crochet. This is the name that we give it today, right? And between, we are going to make 2 chains. I will continue making more with you so you can see exactly how it is. We will always yarn over 4 times. We will try to pull and 2 by 2 until we finish. We are going to make this extended triple double crochet. Again, 2 chains. And remember that we must have 5 in one chain. So far we have 1, 2, here will be the third. I made this scarf many years ago, and I remember, and I don't know if you remember, but it was like trendy and I could see many people wearing this kind of scarves. But well, now we are remembering this stitch and this technique. uh, Probably you can put it in the edge of a coat or in a vest and it will look great. Probably you can use a different material to give it like more puffiness, right? So I hope that you all like this stitch. We are going to continue making. I'm sorry I told you to make 5 in each stitch, right? So we are going to make 4. I realized that I told you that, so we are going to continue making 4. So I want to give you a quick look so you can trust in the process. So far it's looking good. I did continue making 4 in each chain. So far we have this result, so don't worry. Remember that we are going to continue making 4 in each chain with 2 chains between each triple, no, how we say it, extended triple double crochet, right? So we are going to continue like this until we finish with all the chains, and by the ends we'll start to cord, in a spiral. So you will see. We will continue, and I will show you the final result. So stay tuned and let's see how it looks. And you will see how easy and fast it is. Well, I hope that you have enjoyed making this beautiful ruffle spiral scarf with me. I love it. I love the result. It looks so beautiful. And as I told you, you can make it for the edge of a coat or a vest or for a sweater. At the end, I just add 30 chains. I put the thread, I make a knot, I add 30 chains more, and I did continue making the same. At the end, you are just going to help it and cord a little bit to have the shape that you want, and then it's ready. I hope that you will enjoy making. I think that this project is for a beginner too. If you are learning how to crochet, I think that this is the perfect project to start. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.